Add.
8 plus 1.
9.
You said 9. The answer is 9.
Add.
2 plus 6.
8. 8. 8.
You said 8. The answer is 8.
What is King Kong?
King Kong is a film monster, resembling an enormous gorilla, that has appeared in various media since 1933. Kong has been dubbed the eighth wonder of the.
Who is Dr. Robotnik?
Dr. Ivo Eggman Robotnik is a fictional character and the main antagonist of Sega's Sonic the Hedgehog series. Eggman was created and designed by Naoto.
Who is Yuji Naka?
Yuji Naka, Naka-Iji, born September 17, 1965, is a Japanese video game programmer, designer, and producer who was the former head of Sonic Team.
Who is Tails? Who is Tails' character?
This article includes a list of characters from the Disney DuckTales animated franchise, including the original 1987 series and the 2017 reboot series.
Who is Tails Sonic?
Sonic the Hedgehog is a Japanese video game series and media franchise created and owned by Sega. The franchise follows Sonic, an anthropomorphic blue.
What is War of Worlds?
The War of the Worlds is a science fiction novel by English author H. G. Wells, first serialized in 1897 by Pearson's Magazine in the UK and by Cosmopolitan.
Who is the Martian Manhunter? Who is the Martian Manhunter?
Has been the Martian Manhunter the whole time in the DC Extended Universe, making his debut in the 2013 film Man of Steel while his Martian form is set.
Who is the Martian Manhunter character?
Artist Joe Certa, the character first appeared in the story, The Manhunter from Mars, in Detective Comics number 225, November 1955. Martian Manhunter is one of.
Who is Superman? Who is Superman? Who is Supergirl? Who is Miss Martian? What is a Martian? I haven't figured this out, but it's just doing this every once in a while just stops thinking.